At some point, you might want to wipe out all the custom shortcut keys that you've created in Word. This is easy to do by following the steps described in this quick tip. Word allows you to customize its interface to meet your needs and expectations in using the program. One of the things that you can customize is the assignment of shortcut keys. Word comes with a predefined set of shortcut key assignments that you can use to accomplish specific tasks or to apply different editing and formatting features. You can customize these shortcut keys as desired. At some point, you may want to reset the shortcut keys to remove any customizations that you may have made. To do this, click the File tab of the ribbon, and then we're going to go ahead and click Options down here at the bottom, and that displays the Word Options dialog box. At the left side of the dialog box, you want to click on Customize Ribbon. And finally, we're going to go right down here to the bottom next to Keyboard Shortcuts and click on the Customize button. This displays the Customize Keyboard dialog box. The control that you want to use in this dialog box is the Reset All button shown right here. This button is only available if you've previously made customizations to the keyboard shortcuts. When you click on the button, then Word asks you if you are sure that you want to remove those customizations. You would go ahead and click on Yes, and then all of the shortcuts are reset to their default. That means that all of your keyboard shortcut customizations are removed. Now, if you have any doubt about whether you want to delete the shortcuts, well, then don't do it. Go ahead and click on No. The reason for this is simple, because once the customizations are deleted, there is no way to undo having removed them. I'm going to go ahead and click on Yes, and now all of those are gone. You can see that the Reset All button is no longer available at the bottom of the dialog box. Having done this, I can go ahead and close these dialog boxes and get back to using Word as I want to. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful, and I appreciate you spending a few moments with me today.